Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G Pure, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. To get started, let's pull down our notifications straight from the top to another swipe down, and this will give you the toggles. Now on one of the pages we should have a screen recording toggle. For me it's right over here, so once you see it first time around, I recommend holding it. This will take you to the settings where you can just check out the default settings of it. Now if some of those settings don't fit your needs, do customize them to fit them. Now from there you can close this, and when you are ready to record, simply press on the button, start recording, start. This will start a countdown, as you can see right over here, at which point it will then begin recording. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded. And once you're done, you can interact with the overlay right here, click on the square, and this will automatically save the screen recording to our Photos application. So I'm going to quickly open it up. And in here you can see we have a screen recorder. If you have more content, more photos, videos and stuff like that, I believe it creates the catalogs at the bottom with like photos, albums and so on. So if that is the case, you can also click on the albums, and in there you'll find a screen recording album. Now for me, I don't have it. I believe that's why, because there's only one thing in here. Also have something right here, so it could be that it will appear right here maybe. But anyway, I'm gonna just tap on it just so I can show you the playback of a screen recording. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.